What's the meaning of back office? Back office. Back office.
Back office. Back office. The term back office refers to the administrative and support functions of a business that are essential to its smooth operation, but which do not directly generate revenue. These activities include tasks such as accounting, human resources, information technology, and operations management. The back office functions are critical to maintaining the day-to-day operations and ensuring that everything runs smoothly, but they are typically not visible to customers or clients. Efficient and effective back office management is essential for any organization, as it can help to reduce costs, improve productivity, and ultimately contribute to the overall success of the business.